going to be very, but we'll get to that, of course, in just a second. This afternoon, a bit of everything around. There's some bright spells and some showers too. Most of the showers this afternoon are across the southwest of the country. Some of them a little bit on the heavy side. It's, say, 8 or 9 degrees, but there's a brisk wind as well, so it feels a little bit on the cold side, I suppose. More pleasant across Northern Ireland because here you've got the sunshine, even though the temperatures are a little bit lower, around about 6 Celsius. Now, across Scotland, you'll notice a bit of white here. Still some wintry weather around, say, Murray, across Grampian as well. A bit of snow to come here for the rest of the afternoon, but really for the central lowlands and the south of Scotland it's looking mostly bright today. Not the east coast though. Here cloudy into the afternoon with some dribs and drabs of rain, 1 or 2 showers across the Midlands, but across East Anglia and the south, if you're stepping out in the next couple of hours or so, actually the weather's not too bad, and 7 degrees will be the maximum temperature in London today. Okay, as we go through the evening then, it looks as though most of the showers will die away. We'll see some mist forming here and there as you'd normally see this time of the year. For example, across parts of Northern Ireland, the central lowlands, across the Welsh borders here, perhaps a bit of mist. Temperatures tonight, fairly cold, but not as low as they are going to be Saturday night. I think most of us will see temperatures in the south above freezing by the time we get to tomorrow morning. So it looks as though it's going to start off fairly cloudy, but then lots of sunshine. In fact, in a word, beautiful tomorrow. Lots of winter sunshine, but cold, around about 5 degrees across northern parts of England, 6 degrees in the south. Now, notice the blues across Scotland, and now see what happens Saturday evening and Saturday night. Just take a look at this frigid-looking picture. Blues flooding across the whole of the UK. There's going to be some mist and freezing fog forming as well. It could well be the coldest night of the winter so far for some of us at least. Look at that. Bedford, -6. Birmingham itself, -5. Even parts of London in the suburbs, -4. In fact, I wouldn't be surprised if we're early on Sunday morning, some spots will be even colder than that, say down to -8. And there'll be some freezing fog lingering into the afternoon in 1 or 2 places as well. If you get the fog lasting all day long on Sunday, you can expect temperatures of about -1, so a real nip in the air. However, most of us will see the blue sky, so the temperatures are going to rise to dizzy heights of 5 degrees. So whatever the case is, it is going to be a bit of a nipper, even though you're going to get the sunshine. Here's a quick look at Monday's weather. Bright across the north of the country, a little bit of rain in the south for Cardiff and for London. And just to summarise the weekend once again, one particularly cold night, Saturday night on the way, but at least by day it'll be sunny, so that's some good news. Louise, back to you.